Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm so excited because it's finally arrived. So this is HIMI Gouache and this is the look from the back. By the way, it is 18 colors and some of the informations was written here, especially the color palette. And let's open. When you open it, you will see this piece of plastic, which is mixing palette, which is very useful. You can put it like that on the back of the lid, and these are the paints. Each paint is 30 ml, and to be honest, it's quite heavy. I mean, the whole gouache set is heavy because it's 18 colors and 30 ml each. I've ordered this online for around 600 pesos. Anyways, let's go to the swatching. Again, for the swatching, I will use this DIY black sketchbook, and mostly I use this sketchbook for swatching of my paints because it's black. Like this, it's Mont gouache paint, and I make a video of that. I'll just put the link of that video on the description box down below if you want to check out Mont gouache if it's good. Again, I will just put a piece of white paper on the middle and then tape it so we can start swatching. For the swatching, I will use this pointy brush, and by the way, I will not swatch every color of this palette. I'll just pick the primary colors and the secondary colors, so because I don't want to open everything because it may lead to drying the paint, so I'll just open some of the paints and then make a small opening like this. So this is after the swatching, and just want to show how I make the opening. So I just cut it like that, put a hole like that, and then I use my color pencils to put the color of each paint so that when I need them, I can just look at the colors and then make it like this, put a small hole like this so that my paints will not dry over time and it will not be messy on the back of the mixing palette. So let's go back to the swatching. The colors that I will swatch today is black, blue, I don't know, just a shade of blue, and then green, not really green, like yellow green, and then purple, yellow, and red. So let's start. First, I use black, and as you can see, this gouache is so amazing. It covers even the black paper. I mean, you can see how dark and pigmented this paint is. Next is color blue, and as you can see, the paint is so creamy. It's opaque. It's just, I don't know, I mean, it's very different when I use Mont gouache. I think this will be my favorite paint. This is how it looks when it's dry. As you can see, it's so opaque, and still the color is very pigmented, and it covers the paper. more than the Mont comparing to the Mont gouache. It's more good quality. So if you want to buy this item, I'll just put the link of the store on the description box down below. And now let's put it to the test. Let's paint.
Feel like I'm sinking to hell. I'm sinking to hell. Wishing you well. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll just quit drinking, oh, that's what I'll tell you. Oh, that's what I'll tell you. Oh, that's what I'll tell you. I'm overthinking. I'm overthinking. I'm a sad boy, wow, that's so dramatic. Couldn't find your love, but I always had it. Never said it, never meant it. Nobody quite like you. Time never arrives, even though you said it's all we need is time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Time never arrives, even though you said it's all we need is time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Feel like I'm sinking to hell. I'm sinking to hell. I'm wishing you well. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll just quit drinking, that's what I'll tell you. That's what I'll tell you. That's what I'll tell you. I'm overthinking. Wasted time, we fell apart. I'm holding on to little pieces of your heart. You never knew it, what you meant to me. Nobody quite like you. Time never arrives, even though you said it's all we need is time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Time never arrives, even though you said it's all we need is time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Feel like I'm sinking to hell. I'm sinking to hell. I'm wishing you well. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll just quit drinking, that's what I'll tell you. That's what I'll tell you. That's what I'll tell you. I'm overthinking. You're not the type to go out, to keep on searching, lost in the moment right now. But girl, you're hiding, and I have been looking so long. I know you feel it. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling.
Okay, would I recommend this gouache paint? Definitely yes, especially when you are in a tight budget and you want to experience a good quality gouache paint, then definitely buy this item. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye!
Can't you see that I have been searching so long? No time.